If you're ready to jump into NHL 25 and experience the ultimate hockey action, here's how to download it on your platform. If you're using a PlayStation 5, head over to the PlayStation Store. You can choose between the Standard Edition or the Deluxe Edition, which comes packed with extra in-game content. Once you purchase it, just hit the download and start playing. Just keep in mind that online multiplayer requires an active PS Plus subscription. Next is for Xbox Series X or S users. Open up the Xbox Store and search for NHL 25. Select your preferred edition, complete the purchase, and download. Like PS5, you'll need Xbox Live Gold for online multiplayer. Also, if you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, NHL 25 is included for free with your subscription. And lastly is on PC. You can grab NHL 25 through the EA app or Steam. Just purchase the game using your EA Play subscription if you have one. It gives you full access without extra cost. After that, install and get ready to hit the ice. And one important thing is that NHL 25 is not available on Xbox One or Nintendo Switch, so be sure to play on supported platform. So there you have it, whether you are on PS5, Xbox Series, or PC, getting NHL 25 is quick and easy. And that's it for our video today, and thank you for listening.